Okay, here we go. Say hi to the camera. Okay. What did she do? Don't do that. Oh god. Okay. I'm up now. Don't do that. Don't do that. Oh wow. What a dumb. Yeah. Oh god. You're already pretty drugged up. No, you may not have more. How you feeling? Oh man. I feel like this is how you act normally, but you're on drugs right now. So I don't understand. Takes like blood. Vampires suck blood. Oh, you like that?
Yeah.
What? Come on, what? Put a pillow on you? Fun.